Here's a rolling row with standing weight shift. And the exercise looks like this, and I'll tell you why it's good, so to speak. Really why it stands, and beginning with the plate between the legs and 80% of the weight on the right side. Roll the weight up and switch it to the left. And when seen from the camera angle, you can see that the plate somewhat describes a circle. And you do both ways. And as far as the metronome, it's tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock. Basically every time you push with the leg, there's a sound. This exercise also worked really well with a landmine setup. And the beauty of the rolling row is if you imagine that, if you see my upper back here, and I was bent over, then I row on one side. As I move the weight across, the demand, the challenge on the rhomboids and the mid-traps changes to stabilize the weight close to the body as the weight moves across the body. So it's basically a rolling row in a perpendicular angle compared to what we've done with the bars. You remember we discussed this one with a bar, and here now with a landmine or the plate, it's a perpendicular direction.